Lekker plaatje hoor. Hey. Fish room update. So, angels, we just cleaned out this sump. It was super dirty. And actually we did it, we never did it, so it was the first time. In the last 6 months we thought like, oh, it could work, but we found out some angelfish were not so happy. So we changed, we cleaned down these filters, we cleaned all the water. Every week we gave it a water change, but lately we had some angels dying. We thought of age, but it's the water. It's definitely the water. So this one is fresh, new water. Okay. So what do we have here? So, okay, this tank has auto drip. So you see the water dripping here. You see the water dripping there. So we got 2 spots. And in the sump we have an overflow. I will show you in a second where the water, excessive water will be drained. So in this case, we do a weekly water change of about 20%. If you look in the back here, the water from the overflow of the tank over there goes in here, goes down, and then goes down, up, down. So these are all basically mechanical filtration, and here we have biomedia, all kind of stuff, K5, K1 media. And then here we have another overflow. So the drip system actually adds water to the system, and automatically the water will overflow here. First we had it on this side, but it was too high and we couldn't drill again because, as you can see, we have a crack here. So we had to do it on this side, which is less efficient because preferably you would have the wastewater, you know, being drained first, but for now it works. We have a filter sock in there. All the water that comes from the tank will go into the filter sock, mechanical filtration, and then go here. We have a pump, and because there's K5 media in it, we don't want the pump to be cluttered, so we added this mesh around it. So that's our angelfish tank. In this tank we added a monstera in here a couple of months ago, and it's doing really, really well. As you can see, the roots are going all the way down. In this tank, just to give you some details, there's a wave maker in here. We got a bunch of 236 super whites. It's a breeding group, and we have a bunch of Poidora, older ones. These are very big, pretty old, so we got them from a man who's quitted his hobby, so it's old fish, but they're doing pretty well. And we keep this tank at around 28, 29, and currently it's, let me see, oh, it's 25 because of the water change. So it's pretty happy.